A jdeme na to. Epizoda 3. Cestě nebezpečí. Paráda. Se máme na co těšit.
Previously on The Walking Dead.
Who do you think did this?
Think about it. You're Carver, what do you do?
Čau Ninjo.
What's the most
Víte, na
important thing in
streamu,
this
kámo.
world? Clem, it's family.
People like Matthew aren't coming back.
Rebecca, our baby deserves to be raised in a place of safety.
Go to hell, you
We're going home. As a family.
Yep. Lidi, dneska 20 lidí na streamu. Lukeši, kámo, díky moc za follow. Dneska 20 lidí na streamu, uděláme giveaway. Mě chybí. Hrál jsem za něho dobře, že jo? To je můra, to není motyl. Můra.
You about done over there?
Yeah, 1 second. Thanks for coming with me. It's scary out here. I know they made you. It's still nice that you came.
We're friends. Friends look out for one another.
We are, aren't we? Well, if you need to pee, let me know. I'll keep lookout for you, too.
Okay.
Holky vždycky chodí čurat spolu. Nevím, co v tom mají, ale vždycky.
Everything come out all right, girls?
Troy, get him tied up.
Will do.
Well, we're on our way. Probably 30 minutes
OK,
out.
Simone, díky
Make
moc.
sure everyone's prepped. Emotions might be running high. Carver out. If I find out you've been wasting fuel to keep that fucking heater going, I'll make you walk back.
Nope. Froze my ass off. Just like you told me to.
It ain't polite to listen to other folks' conversations. Has anyone ever taught you that? Where's your manners?
I'm sorry.
It's okay, honey. We'll chalk it up as a lesson learned, all right? Get the girls in back with the rest of them. We got a bit of a drive ahead of us.
Jo, PMK se mi zobrazujou rovnou, takže jsem to viděl, Simone, díky moc. Učit, co stream giveaway. No, záleží na tobě, kámo, jestli chceš, tak toho do chatu a ten, kdo to bude mít první, tak vyhrál. Easy. Důležitý věci, jo, probíráte. Například kluky, nebo tak? Mě by zajímalo, co probíráte na záchodech, ty. Tam vždycky chodíte spolu. Musí být konverzace.
All right, we gotta do something. Come on. Anyone got anything sharp? Anything? We need to get these bindings off. Hey, Clem, help me find something to get these off. Anything sharp that could cut these.
And what good is that gonna do?
The hell is wrong with you people? We gotta get out of here.
Like what?
What do you mean, like what? Something sharp. Anything that can help. A fucking... I don't know. Anything. We're in a
My
fucking
God, ten je
precarious
příjemnej
position
dneska.
here. We
Stará mu
gotta do
nedala.
something about that.
Settle down, Kenny. They took everything. We have to keep a level head.
He's right. You don't know Bill like we do.
Bill? This whole time it's Carver, Carver, Carver. Now he's fucking Bill? Oh, I see what it is. Y'all are just getting a ride home, aren't you? That's what's going on here.
Say that again.
I'd stay out of this, boy.
Mister, I ain't a boy.
Tak až tady bude 20 lidí, Michael.
You're a man.
You don't understand.
Uděláme double giveaway.
Different. It's worse.
The fuck are you talking about?
He wants to punish us.
Is he gonna kill us?
I don't think so.
He ain't gonna get the fucking chance.
You have no idea what you're dealing with.
Oh, he gave me a pretty good goddamn idea back at the lodge. And I don't intend to sit around here and let that happen to the rest of us.
Shit.
I'm trying to help.
I'm sure Walter really appreciated your help.
Like you helped Alvin.
That's not fair. You're blaming him for the actions of a madman.
I am pointing out that regardless of intent, there are consequences to rash actions.
Ahoj, proto ne.
Something that he seems to be misreading as capitulation.
I don't know what the fuck you're saying, but I know it's bullshit. We have to do something.
Kenny, you can't reason with him.
Kenny, yes.
Oh shit. Jackpot.
God.
Sit down. You're going to get us all killed.
Y'all don't know what you're talking about. We get cooped up in some kennel like a bunch of fucking dogs, it's over.
You don't know that.
Yeah? Well, I've been in this situation before. You ever been a prisoner?
Kenny's right. We have to do something. We can't just sit here.
How is it the kid is the only one that sees what's going on here?
Clem, the adults are talking.
Is that what this is?
All right, now we're talking.
Carver will be on the other side of that door with 10 people.
There, baby. It's okay. Everything's gonna be fine.
At this point, maybe Luke is the only hope we have.
If he was gonna do something, he'd have done it by now.
Who knows what he's dealing with?
Who
Anything
knows?
can happen out there.
I'll tell you what happened. He abandoned us.
You don't know that.
I know he ain't here.
He may not be around, but he wouldn't just leave us behind.
That guy's a flake. I could tell the second I said eyes on him.
Kenny, please calm down.
Zastanu se ho,
Kenny's
zastanu
probably
se.
right. He would have helped us by now if he was going to.
You don't know what he's been going through since we left the lodge. None of us do.
We don't even know if he's still alive, or that he knows where we went.
Right. All we do know is that he ain't helped us.
We're close.
Okay, let's do this.
They have guns. What exactly do you expect to do?
I'm gonna punch the first son of a bitch I see. Then I'm gonna take his gun and use it to shoot the next son of a bitch I see.
Just sit down.
To zní jako
Shut
plán.
up, Doc. This ain't your call. Hey, just if something happens,
Čau,
just
Ferry.
help out, okay?
Můj neoficiální
Don't,
osobní
get yourself
trenére.
hurt or nothing, but any help would be good.
I úvodu.
Look at me. You trust me,
Prdele.
right?
Kenny, please, just listen to them. They know him. Yeah, okay. I trust you. I'll do what I can.
All right. It's okay to be a little scared, but we gotta do this. All right.
To se na věc lidi.
Kenny, are you okay?
To je kokody, to ještě ani nezačalo a on už je skoro mrtvý.
What hit me?
It's probably for the best.
Oh my god. To začalo teda. To začalo.
Brakes ain't working for shit.
Čerstvá ryba.
All right,
Achievement.
up and at 'em.
Nice. No nic.
The fuck? How'd you get your restraints off? Come here.
We've got some familiar faces back with us tonight. Now, I understand some of you are confused as to why we bring these people back when they left us as they did.
Think I've got an idea.
Now, it might not come all at once, but time will heal these wounds. So be patient with them until it does. And take solace in knowing that they're here to help us make our home a better place. All these
Tak to bude shit, tady toto místo, to bude shit.
betrayal, hate, they're all valid. No one needs to forget what they did, but we do have to find it in our hearts to forgive them.
Look how much food they have.
Oh, I hope you ain't saying what I think you're saying.
As many of you already know, a large herd of lurkers gathers just south of us.
Come on, we need you for something.
Can it wait until morning? We're all exhausted.
Just come the fuck on.
Turn our way. It's nothing we can't handle.
I need him. I need my dad. I can't. He's...
Čau Cube.
They have been taken into consideration.
Lidi, tak přepínáme na full screen a jdeme na to. Jdeme si to užít.
I'm sorry. I know you're scared.
I thought we'd never come back here. My dad said we wouldn't. I wish I could talk to him. You will. Thanks, Clem.
And with the added manpower joining us this evening, I have no doubt that we will continue.
Make sure y'all stay off the fence. Bill can see if you're messing with it.
Just to survive. It's our
Je ta potvora, co nás přechytračila. Falešná svíně.
Thanks, Barney.
Yep.
to provide a light.
Ale myslím, že nám ještě pomůže.
Bright enough to shine in all.
Já takový výraz. Co v holkách vyznám, to jde prostě poznat na tom výrazu.
Y'all best get some
Jdu
rest.
si rozdělat vodnici, dát si
There
něco
ain't gonna
dobrého
be much
pití a
for you
počívat.
tomorrow.
Doufám, že dneska neskončí.
You're gonna be working hard.
That's for you.
Končím, Ferry. Bohužel, ale zítra bude dlouhý
It would
stream.
be. Fucking Bill. Keeps me out in the cold, but at least I'll be comfortable.
Hey, guys.
Reggie!
Ty máš ruku, kámo.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. What did they do to you?
This could have been worse, trust me. I'm lucky to be alive.
It's my fault.
No, it's really not. I would tell you if it was. This happened well after you guys left. I guess I should say
Reggie
it's nice
helped
to see
us
you, but
when we ran
it's
away.
a bummer.
I know. I feel the same way.
Why didn't he go with you guys when you left?
I think maybe he was supposed to, but then he fell, and everybody kept running. I know he had both his arms then.
They got me working outside. Lurker just snuck up on me while I was hammering something. Luckily, they took the arm off quick. Saved my life.
That's awful. I'm so sorry.
Look, it was my choice to help you guys.
Jo, já se na holku podívám a hned vím, co chce.
Oh, hey, Troy.
Don't go fucking up now. Bill's real close to letting you out of here. You make sure things stay nice and quiet out here tonight, and I'll be sure to let Bill know just how helpful you were.
Yeah, you can count on me. Thanks, Troy.
Don't mention it.
To místo nemám rád. Mě to strašně připomíná to, jak se to jmenovalo v tom Walking Dead, v tom seriálu.
When we got caught.
Hey, I'm Reggie.
Takové to útočiště, kde tam odsekávali ty hlavy.
That's Kenny.
Hey,
Hello, who are you? This freaks you out. It's okay. Freaks me out too sometimes.
My name's Clementine.
It's very nice to meet you, Clementine.
Mám.
Hey,
Hoď.
where's Carlos?
Takovou
Bill's
schopnost,
already
to
got
je.
looking at some folks.
Prostě se kouknu a vím.
Good. What about Pete?
Can you guys save it for the morning?
To je to za cikána.
Who's that?
I don't know.
I don't recognize the voice.
Kámo, to musíš mít
No
vrozené.
problem. Sorry about that.
Musíš mít vrozené. A nesmíš toho využívat.
Mike, he's kind of a dick when he's tired, but
Ahoj,
like I
mistře.
said, he saved my life, so I put up with that shit.
Jak se máš, kámo, dobrý? Jo, Terminus, Cube, přesně, Terminus, to je ono.
Stop with all the sorry. It was my choice.
Strašně mi to připomíná to místo. Tam byly vagóny a tak.
Let me rejoin the group, so I'm glad you're here. I'm just joking.
I know.
I mean, he did say that, but I'm not happy about it.
Who's she?
Who?
The girl over there?
Oh yeah, right. Okay, so she's fucking.
Má krátké vlasy,
I
ta je
saw her
pěkná.
sneaking around outside the camp, covered in guts and just like the grossest shit.
It's probably best not to stare.
I know how it must look, but it's really not that bad here.
Reggie.
No, I'm serious. Where else are you going to find food like we have? We've got the canned stuff, and now with the greenhouses coming along, we've got fresh food. The building's getting more and more secure all the time, mostly through forced labor, but that's only temporary. They've even got the solar panels working. When was the last time you had electricity, huh?
Well, we just came from a lodge with a wind turbine.
It's
and-
not a
obrazovky
competition.
Power,
I'm
ne
just
asi.
saying, it's not as bad as you think.
Jak si to uží, kámo?
Building something
Jak
great
to uží.
here, guys. A real community. Bill
Jsem
is
moc rád, že
making
se
it
budeš
happen.
dívat.
Look, I've made mistakes, and he's forgiven me.
That doesn't make up for what he's done, Reggie.
It feels more like a prison.
Well, that is a very negative attitude.
She's right, Reggie.
Listen, I'm really close to getting let back into the group. Once that happens, I can do a lot more to help you guys be more comfortable.
Comfortable?
What do you think this is?
I just don't want you to mess things up for me. I've worked really hard to get to this point. Will you please just try not to cause any trouble? At least until they release me. Then, once I'm out, I could help you more. Maybe even help get you out.
We won't get you in trouble.
They're expecting me to keep things in line out here.
Well, if Carver's such a great guy, I'm sure you've got nothing to worry about.
We can at least talk about it more in the morning. Just have a quiet night and chat again tomorrow.
I can't believe what I'm hearing.
Look, the fact is, Bill had every reason to kill me when I helped you guys, but he didn't. Obviously, I don't know what happened while you were all gone, but he's given me a second chance, and I know he'd do the same.
Cube, asi si měl jináčí nick, než máš na streamu, tak jsem si tě odstranil, sorry. Ale já potom, když někoho hledám, tak scrolluju 5 minut, než ho najdu, víš?
I need to sit down.
Yeah, come on. Sarah, can you go see if there's something for her to drink?
Okay.
Yeah, there's water over by the benches. That didn't go as planned. Should have actually made a plan.
Man, fuck that guy. I don't think we can trust him. I mean, clearly he's already drank too much of the Kool-Aid.
No, budu neutrální.
I think he's just scared.
Everybody's scared. Ain't an excuse to sound like a nutcase.
A mě si už přidáš? Máš tam jí žádost.
We gotta know if there's anything we can exploit to get out of here. We're in a tight spot. Gonna have to wriggle our way out.
Well, what should I be looking for?
Stuff that they don't want us to know about. That Troy asshole's gone for now. This is our chance. Don't worry about Reggie. I'll go help run interference.
No asi Simone. Teď nevím, co mám hledat. Do prdele.
Walker just snuck up on you, huh?
Tady s váma bavím a nevím, co mám hledat. Promluvit s Mikem. Až potom takové žvanění.
Guess it's better than the ground.
It's not.
On si řekl, že se nenačte.
Looks rickety.
I saw a fella try that a few months ago. Just ended up bleeding out. Ended up turning anyway.
Yeah, like I said, it felt like Mike had done it before.
Looks kind of crappy.
Get a tourniquet on me real quick.
Jo, žebráku, tyjo, všichni tady jsou zatím hodní, jo? Neboj se. Takže. Ale, zatáhnout za plot? Zatáhneme za něho. A utečeme.
Hey, Clem, come on. Don't be like that.
She ain't doing nothing wrong, Reggie. Just relax.
How can I relax when she's walking around touching everything?
Něčeho se bojí, týpek. Čau, Káti. Ahoj, jak se máš, jak ses vyspala? Kile, hoj. Hoj, brácho. Tu ten stream, ty, jak jsi spustil to CS, tak ti to nějak nešlo. Do prdele. Jaká okenice, co jim je, to není okenice. Normální regulární vrata. Nunk.
Clementine, please. I asked really nicely. I don't want
Hey,
to...
what the hell is she doing?
No,
Oh, what the fuck?
Nothing. You know, kids. They love not listening.
You had one job, Reggie. This is real disappointing. Gonna have to tell Bill about this.
Oh.
Please, come on.
Hey, don't be like that, man.
You shut your fucking mouth. I don't know you.
Dad!
Oh, you all fucked up now. Bill's gonna hear about this shit.
Troy, please.
Fuck you, Reggie. This is setting you back a few. Get comfortable, asshole.
He was trying to help. She's just a kid.
No one's talking to you, Indian lady.
Hey!
It's fine. I am Indian.
Everybody get to bed.
A Indiáni jsou kurva ostří.
some of these folks.
Zavolá Vinetu a
It's up to us to figure out a way out of
bude
here.
bordel.
You up for it? It's your decision.
I'm ready. Of course I am.
Good, good. Confidence is good. You gotta have the right attitude. Now get some sleep.
Na hovno, jak to? Já se mám nevyspaně, hele, spal jsem fucking 4 hodiny. Ale nálada v pohodě. Naštěstí. Protože mě kopeš.
Don't kick me. It's
Nebo tě sežeru.
Get up. Bill's gonna have a word.
Počkej, já jsem spal pod postelí, jo? Okay.
There's been increased walker activity along the fence, so be mindful when outside the walls. The herd's moved a little closer as of this morning, but that still doesn't necessarily mean we'll be hit. No, we're monitoring the situation.
Taky rád vrtám kalendore.
Now, there are some folks might be sore about what happened and how things went. Well, that's
2 hodiny?
past now.
Cidrak, kámo. Cidrak. Já spát 2 hodiny, tak nežiju. Bych fakt nežil.
Some of you are members who went astray. But know that you can find redemption here. Forgiveness. By proving your worth. Through what will undoubtedly be hard work. Now, Reggie slipped up last night, but that doesn't mean he should lose hope. Today will be a test for him. So let's all wish him the best of luck.
How'd you sleep?
I'll let Reggie be an example to you all.
so tired.
Salvation is available, but it
I didn't even
must be
realize that.
earned. Kenneth will be taking over Reggie's
Well, you
duties
don't have to be
outside the wall.
rude about it.
Michael will
Držu
continue
bůh.
on, showing his value.
Indiánko.
Carlos!
To jsem řekl.
Yes?
Your child seems to be in need of correction.
I'm sorry. Sarah, apologize to Mr. Carver.
Sorry, sir.
No, that ain't gonna cut it. I can't have this kind of behavior on day one of your reform. You discipline her now, Carlos.
No, já kdybych měl spát 2 hodiny, tak bych radši spal 8 hodin.
Across the mouth should do it. It'll make her think twice before opening it up again. Go on, we'll wait.
I'm not sure with my hand that I
Well, that's why you got 2 hands, Carlos.
Nemáš ho strkat do prdele.
Not some namby-pamby thing, all right? A good hard smack. Otherwise, Troy here will do it for you. I don't think you want that. He can be overzealous. Is that the word?
If it means I'll slap the shit out of her, then yeah.
Go on, Carlos.
No, you don't need to do that. She's already scared. She won't do it again.
Hey, no one's fucking talking to you.
Vydrž hubu.
Unless you want one of what she's about to get, I'd pipe down, Missy.
Ale zastal jsem se jí. Nebo zastala.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm
Close your
sorry.
eyes, honey. It's only going to sting for a second.
Do it.
To je vážně takovej slaboch. To je kreten. Nemám ho rád. Típneš, bastarde.
I'm sorry, Sarah.
Stop! You're not cuddling that girl anymore.
Tak on zmlatí svoje dítě jenom kvůli toho, že to někdo chce?
Troy, get
Do
Carlos
prdele.
post. Everyone else should have their assignments. It's
Takového
time to
taťku
get
bych
to work.
nechtěl.
God damn. You really knocked the shit out of her, Doc.
Everyone get to work.
Do prdele.
You're
Kreten.
working in the armory. Follow me.
Soil, coming up.
God damn this thing.
Oh, shit.
Clementine!
Who's this?
She's one of the new people. She was with Carlos and Sarah and...
Sarah? I wish she'd stayed gone.
She's had a hard time, Becca.
So have we. We're not sitting on the ground like babies.
Go on inside. Bonnie's waiting.
Hey, I guess you're starting your day with me. We're loading magazines.
Rilku, kámo, díky za follow. Díky moc, vítej u nás na streamu, brácho.
I suppose I owe you an apology. I wasn't truthful when I came across y'all at the lodge, and I was shown a kindness I never would have.
Ona bude hodná, já jsem to říkal od začátku. Já to vidím normálně na tváři. Ona nám pomůže.
And I can't help but feel I'm to blame. But the plan was for no one to get hurt. I truly believe that was the intent.
Carver's the one who pulled the trigger. He's to blame.
Yeah, but I surely didn't help matters. I thought if I was the one that found everyone, I could control it. Keep everyone safe. But that ain't how it went.
Holka, ty jsi moje. Už tě mám.
Don't account for much, but it's all I can offer right now. How was your first night in the yard? I know it ain't so comfortable, but it's safe.
Byla mi zima.
Well, you got them skinny arms.
Protože jsem spala na zemi.
Wearing a jacket. I was supposed to go. When Luke and Carlos and all them left, I was planning on leaving too. When Luke approached me about it, I thought he was crazy. I mean, we're safe here. We got power, we got food.
Why didn't you leave, I mean?
If I'm being honest, I guess I chickened out. I justified not going by telling myself it's easier to try and change something that's broken than start all over.
To bych nechtěl, tam máš škaredé jméno.
That's the type of thing that rips a community apart. He keeps things in line. He's got a lot of this stuff figured out. I don't know. I guess I just wanted to be somewhere comfortable for a while.
Nobody's safe here with Carver around.
You're safe if you stay on his good side.
I would if I knew where it was.
I mean,
já s tím nechci být za dobře.
This big fed and protected. I don't envy that position. Figured that'd make anyone a little stressed. I'm not defending what he did. That was... I'm alive because of him. That's just a fact.
He killed Walter and Alvin.
Only to protect his own people. Kenny
Takové
could have killed us
keci.
all.
But he didn't.
Alvin killed George when he escaped. He might not have meant to, but George died all the same. Ain't no saints in all this. Bill overreacted. He was in the heat of the moment, and he overreacted. Luke had ideas about how things should go, but they didn't line up with what Bill was thinking. They butted heads. Then Rebecca started showing, and that only made things worse. Maybe Luke was right about him. I wish he was around, but I just hope he's safe.
Hey, Bonnie, is that girl down there? I need to come get her.
Yeah, she's here.
Okay, I'll be right over.
I'm sure it's fine. Oh, almost forgot. I grabbed this for you.
Co pro mě má? Paráda. Já jsem říkal, že je naše.
Huh? What do you think? I found it at the lodge y'all were at. Think it might be for skiing. Had to wait for no one to be around.
Vlezují do řítí.
It's cool. I like it.
Well, I'm glad. I thought it was cute, but I didn't know what you'd think. You better watch yourself. I think some folks might be jealous of that cool jacket of yours.
Oh, there you are. What's with the ugly jacket?
Tavia.
What?
Never mind.
Ty vole, další indiánka, nebude mít problém. Pamela Anderson se přejmenuje na Bonnie Anderson. Bude chtít Fuchiho a on řekne, ne, máš hnusné jméno. Ne, asi. Jsi pěkná, ale máš hnusné jméno, sorry. Na střeše máme skleníky. Budeme chodit na žravku.
I'm gonna radio down and find out what you're doing. Don't touch anything.
Nemám na nic šát? Mula. Ten salát sežeru jako první.
Oh yeah.
Hey.
Dám donate HIPE, jde.
Bábi, díky moc, kámo. Díky moc. Židle incoming. Židle incoming. Díky moc, fajn. Moc si toho vážím.
Are you okay?
Jsi v pořádku?
It's gotta be hard.
Je stupidní otázka, když tam brečí, že jo?
My dad's never hit me before. Even when I was really bad. He never hit me.
Yeah, you can kind of control it sometimes, how much it hurts. It takes practice.
Really? I don't want to practice that.
I don't think anyone does.
Well, thanks for trying to help.
To máš zač.
I don't know why people
Jsem to neměl v plánu, ale...
Like,
why not?
even when I'm really mad, I still don't want to hurt anyone.
Jednoruký Edward.
Yeah, I get it.
Reggie's in charge here, okay? Listen to him carefully.
Yep, no problem, Tavia. Okay, we gotta do a good job, guys. The camp is counting on us. Come on, I'll show you what to do. It's super easy. Oh, and just so you know, Bill yelled at me this morning for what you were doing last night. I'm not mad, but please, please just listen to me today. I'm on, like, the thinnest ice with that guy. Pick up a pair of those shears. Okay, so we're picking these berries, right? Just pick them, put them in the basket. Simple.
Otrhat bobule s nůžkama.
While you're at it, if you see any dead branches, take those shears and cut them off and stack them neatly for compost.
Ok, už to chápu.
Got it?
Čau plebe. Nazdar kámo, vítej na streamu.
Hey, so, is she gonna be okay?
Babi je borec.
Cause what happened down there? That was straight fucked up. I don't want her freaking out and getting me in trouble.
I'll take care of her. You don't have to worry.
Good, good.
Good, good.
Cause I'm awful at that stuff. Look, Bill's had it out for me ever since I helped those guys escape, so I gotta concentrate on my work.
Přátelské poplácání.
I won't do that again. I'm gonna go work now.
To bylo, kámo, to bylo. Já mám ty borůvky. Hned bych si to dal s tvarohem.
Hey.
Brzdíš mě.
Here, watch me. This isn't that hard, Sarah.
I know, I'm just afraid I'll make a mistake.
It won't be the end of the world if you do. Just keep going.
Oh, shit.
Oh no.
You didn't do any of your work, Clem.
Just checking in. See how the girls are working out.
Takže má to následky.
Reggie.
Yeah, Bill. Hey.
What the fuck happened in here?
Look, Bill, they're new, and me with my arm, it's just not the easy... I have one arm.
Shut up, shut up. Shut the fuck up.
Nebuď tak
You better have an explanation for this. And I mean now.
Bill, please, just...
Sounds like you're about to give me an excuse when I asked for an explanation.
Sara nevěděla, jak na to. Byla to moje chyba. On se snaží, ten Reggie. Proto ho necháme. Sara nevěděla, jak na to. Což je pravda. Zatím bych ji podrazil. Bla.
We'll get it done. Just give us some more time.
It was my fault. I didn't show Sarah well enough. I guess.
No, this ain't your fault. We talked about this, Reggie. Didn't we? But you just don't get it, do you?
Get what?
Why don't you girls wait outside? Reggie and I have a few things to talk about.
Bude sex.
Thanks for the help, girls.
Oh yeah.
What's wrong, Sarah?
Donate HIPE.
Díky zlato, díky moc. Jste blázni.
Are you okay?
I gave you plenty of chances.
Please, Bill! No! 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 Please! Ah!
To je za kokota.
Incompetence. It puts us all at risk, and it won't be tolerated. You think about that the next time you're asked to do something. Get downstairs. Bonnie's got some stuff for you to do. Go!
No, to je zlé. A dámy a pánové, vítejte všichni na streamu.
Oh, hey. So, they want you to run some supplies out.
To je ta moje číča, že?
Real simple, just take this over to him. That jacket looks real nice. I don't know what Tavia's talking about. What's wrong? Clem? You alright?
Reggie's dead.
What? What are you talking about?
Carver killed him. He pushed him off the roof.
Maybe it was just an accident.
Nope, nebyla. Já jsem to viděla.
Listen to me. Take this stuff out to those guys and come straight back. Just be safe, okay? Now ain't the time to be calling attention to yourself. I need to go find out what happened. Hey, Troy! Clem's just gonna take them boys some nails.
All right.
Go on.
Ty vole, dejte mi nějakou zbraň na hřebíky a jste mrtví.
Hey, that ain't your concern. Get that stuff over to them boys. Just follow them cables.
Podél kabelů, teď tam je jenom jeden. Já bych těm... Ty blá... Těm prknům bych moc nevěřil, jak se na to dívám. Kalindore, ty jsi blázen.
I ain't nobody's laborer. Fuck that. Let them do this shit themselves if it's so goddamn important.
Get your fucking hands off me,
You ain't
man.
gonna force me to do this bullshit.
I said get your hands off me.
Or what? You gonna go tell on me?
I'm trying to help you, asshole.
Yeah, this is a real help. Why don't you just worry about yourself?
Kenny, calm down.
I want to, Clem, but this son of a bitch keeps
I just want to
testing
get the
me.
work done. And
Oh shit. No, co teď? Já mám jenom ty hřebíky, že? 20 lidí? Vy jste to někde sdíleli, blázni? Tak to bylo chlup. Oh fuck. Do prdele. My jsme v prdeli. Jop. Global Elite. Ty vole, to nemůžu zvednout. No, tak to je v prdeli. OK. Boys, vítejte na streamu.
Get out of there, come on.
Vítejte na streamu, dobré. Já jsem slibil za 20 lidí na streamu giveaway, tak jdeme na to. Jdeme na to, dokud tady jste, potom odejdete. Jdeme na to. Tak jo, uděláme ten giveaway. Timer dáme na třeba 3 minutky. Tady to máte. Bude to stát, dejme tomu 10 houbiček. Dobrá, musíte být followři. Easy. Jdeme na to, boys. Hodně štěstí. Páni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lidí, tyjo. Paráda, to je snad náš rekord, tyjo. Momentálně se hraje o hru Never Alone a potom uděláme ještě jeden giveaway, ale ten uděláme až po tomto díle. A to bude o hru... o Mikeovou hru. Nevím, co to má, nějakou armu nebo co to má. Napiš potom do chatu, co to máš, Majku, pro mě přichystáne. Tak. Jinak těšte se i na víkendový nářez, tyjo, bude to fakt pecka. Zahrajeme i Rocket League, budeme hrát CSko, Metal Gear Solid, každý si přijde na své. To se určitě zastavte i o víkendu. Začneme v sobotu 6 hodin večer. Ať se dobře vyspím, protože budeme hrát až do rána. Až do rána, lidi. Tak jo, máme tady 20 sekund. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12 lidí se zúčastňuje. Paráda, to jsem rád. Tak Goli, já vám přeju hodně štěstí. Ať to vyhraje ten nejlepší. A výhercem se stává Proton, kámo. Gratulace, Protone, gratulace. Všichni do chatu, popřejte mu. Nebo pogratulujte teda. Potom si mě přidej na Steamu, brácho, nebo nejlépe teď. Ninjo, kámo, to ti moc nepomohlo. Přidej si mě na tom Steamu, brácho, jo? To máš za těch 8 hodin, co nás sleduješ. Jmenuji se Fuči. Dneska bude ještě jeden giveaway, ale bude až potom, až dohrajeme The Walking Dead, lidi. Ne, Michael, už jsem to říkal několikrát. Nebudeme rozdávat všechno najednou, blázne. Další hodíme až za zhruba hodinu, až dohrajeme ten díl Walking Dead. O víkendu bude každopádně další giveaway, potom další a další, takže cením si toho, že tady jste lidi. Opravdu. Call me nobody. Čau. The Walking Dead srdcovka, ne asi. Pro mě taky. Hlavně ta první sezóna byla neskutečná, tam fakt musím se přiznat, měl jsem na krajičku. Docela hodně mě to dostalo. A už se těším na 14. kdy vyjde další díl z nové sezóny. OK, tak v tom případě uděláme rovnou i druhý giveaway, rovnou teď lidi. Jsi mi to poslal? OK. Dobré, mám tě, kámo. Jdu ti to rovnou poslat. Ty jsi plakala? Wow. No já, možná kdybych to hrál off stream, tak možná bych tež brečel. Ale já jsem Moravák, takže jsem to vydržel. Tak, kde tě máme, Pando? Zas 1000 lidí na Steamu. Tady si. Bum prásk. Kámo, tak si to užij. Já jsem tu hru nehrál, ale podle mě bude dobrá, má docela dobré hodnocení, takže si to užij. Půjdu CS, až dohraju The Walking Dead, kámo. Jdeme teda udělat další ten giveaway. Reset. Každopádně ještě jednou ti gratuluju. Majku, o cože to hrajem? O cože to děláme ten giveaway? Bavila tě víc? První sezóna mě určitě bavila víc. Solid like a mannequin, but you ain't plastic as you. Cause if you got a bone to pick, I got a matching issue. Talking about me, then it gotta be lies. Cause I never get a tag or a chance to reply. If you don't got the courage to mention okay, Tak, máme 2 minutky. Plebe, díky za host. OMG, jak si ten DX Racer? Já už se do toho kompa neodlepím pak. Dobrá, máme minutku. Učí, myslíš tu lahodnou zombičí krev? Tak. Dobré. Zřejmě 15 sekund do konce zbývá lidí. Takže přeju vám hodně štěstí. Děkuju vám za to, že mě sledujete. Snad vás to baví. O víkendu budeme hrát. O víkendu vlastně hned v sobotu dohráme ten The Walking Dead, potom dáme CS:ko a další hry a začneme hrou o trůny, no. Dneska jsem se díval na nějaký let's play od Flygana a vypadá to pěkně. Tak hodně štěstí. Do prdele. Mistr. Mistře, kámo, díky moc za follow, za to, že nás sleduješ a vyhrál si. Mně si nepřidávej, přidej si Majka, s ním se domluv tady v chatu. Všichni CG tomu borcovi. A my budeme pokračovat. Majku, tobě, kámo, díky moc za hru na giveaway, jsi moc hodnej. Jsi moc hodnej, kámo. A my jdeme pokračovat. The Walking Dead. OK. Let's go.
Make me save your ass. Jesus.
Oh, thank God.
MG2, ale potahaný. On je potahaný.
You get back inside right fucking now. I'm sure they got shit for you to do in there. Now! Think I'm fucking around? Now I gotta sit down here and babysit you assholes. Can't do a simple fucking patch job without me here cracking the whip?
Shit, je to nepříjemné. Oh my god, to je ten Vietnamec.
Yes.
Tak to není on.
Think you drew blood. Come all this way.
Tady děláš obejmout ho. Tak rád ho nemám.
I was worried. We all were.
It's good to see you too, kid. All right, listen, we ain't got much time. Okay, I followed y'all here best I could. Haven't had a night's rest since y'all got nabbed. And, well, it's the first chance I got to talk to somebody.
Prašit, ne asi.
Okay, they got guards watching everything. Shh, shh. There's a herd of lurkers just south of us. It's bigger than I ever seen around these parts.
Carver mentioned that. Said he hopes it passes us.
Tak mě tam ten Vietnamec chybí, jakože pořád. Nevím, co se s ním stalo. Ten, co jako
okay? It's gonna hit this place.
S ním chodí Maggie, tyjo.
Now, I don't know when, but it's coming and it's gonna be soon. See, I've been looking for places to get you all free, but I haven't been able to find anything.
V pořádku, musím jít. God. Musím jít.
Plugged up all the holes we used when we got out.
I have to go. Troy will be looking for me.
What?
Troy, he's expecting me back.
Oh, yeah. Right. Okay, just...
Glenn, jo, přesně.
We just need a plan. You know, a way to get you and everyone.
Luke!
Oh, sorry, shit. Okay, Troy ain't gonna like you being late. Listen, Clem.
A sledujete i Fear the Walking Dead, lidi? Sledujete ho?
One of those radios, okay? Do you think you can do that? Just one of those walkie-talkies. I just need to be able to tell y'all what's going on with them guards. You know, I'll figure out the schedule the patrols are on. I mean, they're all over the place, but I can keep an eye on them for y'all from out here. Look, we ain't gonna be able to shoot our way out of here, so we gotta be careful. We just gotta be smart, okay? We got a plan.
Where do I get one?
I think they keep them in the stock room. I ain't completely sure, though. Just keep your eyes out for the charging station. Now, they put most of them back on there at night. Remember, you meet me here tomorrow. I'll try and be here around this time, but if I ain't, just wait as long as you can, because I really need...
Ahoj, Starku.
And just let everybody know I'm all right, okay? I'm worried they,
Clementine, get out where I can see you.
Go on, get out of here.
A co sleduješ? Nobody.
What were you doing? Huh?
I was hiding from walkers.
Don't go in there, you hear me? That is off fucking limits to you. Bill Radio wants a word with you up in his office. So get on up there, now.
Omega, proč jsi tak hnusnej ke mně?
Dude, you better go up and see Bill. He doesn't like to wait. So, you should probably go.
Díky za radu, brácho. Nebo dědo.
Rebecca.
She's a strong woman, surrounded by weak men. I ain't letting my kid get raised around that. Get in here.
Jo, co jsi škádlivá, to se rádo mívá, že jo?
You make sure you tell me the truth when you're sitting where you are, and you won't end up over in that chair. Now, you might not believe this after what happened earlier, but I liked Reggie. He was a funny guy. He kept things light. You need folks like that. It's easy to let depression sink in during times like this. But he was weak. And I don't mean just because he was maimed. That wasn't his problem. He was weak of will and weak of character. And we can't have that around here. Not anymore. Not with what we got at stake.
He didn't deserve that. Even if he messed up, he didn't deserve to die.
Oh, he certainly did. You see, Reggie put us at risk with his incompetence. He's had a string of screw-ups lately. Killing one in order to save many is part of survival. It's one of the tough decisions that a weaker person couldn't make. It's why it falls to people like us to lead them to safety. You understand? Well, I wish it was different, I do. But they are weak, and we are strong. That's why it's our responsibility to shepherd the flock, to keep them safe. It's their nature to follow, not to lead.
You know what I wish?
What's that, honey?
I wish Kenny had killed you.
Yes, bitch. Get wrecked.
And there's all the proof I need right there. You think anyone out there'd have the balls to say something like that? There's no way you could have lasted this long otherwise. I realized it back in that cabin. You were scared, but you looked me straight in the eye, kept your nerve. That's what we need. If we're gonna get through this, the next generation has to be stronger than the last to lead us out of this. Kids like you, raised the right way, the way my child will be raised. It ain't this hurt that keeps me up at night. We can handle that. It's not knowing if I got anyone to hand all this off to. But I ain't worried about that anymore.
What if it's not yours?
Well, even if that was true, it's mine now. All right, now.
Bill, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
The loading bay door is jacked. Troy really knocked the shit out of it.
How bad is it?
Rails are tweaked so it won't shut all the way. I don't think it's an emergency or anything, but it's something Stan should take a look at when he can.
I'll get him on it. Out. That fucking idiot. Herd on its way, and he puts a goddamn ding in my door. Go on back out to the yard. It's almost supper time.
No jo. Je tolik achievementů za takovou chvilku jsem už dlouho neměl. Mám 150 000.
Because we all know what happened this morning. I don't know what that son of a bitch is gonna do next.
So you want to ring the dinner bell for a herd of walkers to show up? How is that better?
Cause this place will be fucking chaos when that thing hits. No one will be paying any attention to us. And that's when we go. It's our opening. We just gotta figure out a way to draw them to us.
Your friend here wants to get us killed by lurkers before Bill can do it.
What is it with you?
That's what it sounds like to me.
You know that's not what he's saying, but it does sound dangerous.
This shit is all dangerous.
Kenny, do not speak to me like that.
Okay, sorry.
Maybe Luke could help us. He's outside. He wants a radio to help keep an eye on the guards.
Thank you. That's the plan I vote for.
You know about Luke?
He flagged us down when Troy wasn't looking. Told us his plan. Mentioned he talked to you.
If Luke can tell us what's going on with the guards, we can use that to pick a good time.
Nevím, jestli je dobrý plán se o Lukovi bavit, když tam je ta baba mimo.
There was a girl back at Crawford that used church bells.
Nás určitě někdo podrazí.
We just need something really loud.
The
A to je
PA
špatně.
Carver is always using is quite loud.
There's some speakers outside the building, pointed toward the parking lot. I saw them when we were walking out to the work. Troy's always standing next to one of them.
I saw the controls. They're in Carver's office.
She's right. It's all controlled in Bill's office. There's a switch in there that'll turn them on.
How do you know that?
Čau, Peťušo.
I used to read a lot of the announcements back in the day. I had it flipped on once. Luckily, there wasn't much around at the time to hear it. It was plenty loud, though.
That's perfect. We just gotta get into his office. Why didn't you say something sooner?
Because it doesn't change anything. This isn't a discussion about how to do it. It's a discussion about whether it's stupid. And it's still stupid. The sensible thing is to get Luke the radio and wait for an opening.
You're real difficult to deal with sometimes.
Kenny. No, that's all right. You ain't exactly a peach either.
Luke's in no shape to help us. You want to put our fate in that guy's hands, it's not happening.
Why can't we do both? Even if we bring the herd to us, it's probably good for Luke to be able to tell us where they're coming from.
You know what? Fine. I can get behind that. Okay, so we get that turd radio. He keeps us posted on the herd's movement. We fire up the PA thing and bring the walkers to roll over this place.
And then what?
Get some guns and shoot our way out. I don't know. Whatever we can. We improvise.
Then that's not a plan. You don't plan to improvise.
I figured out what your problem is. You don't think this stuff through. If the end of the plan is just to stroll through a herd of walkers,
OK, Majku, díky moc.
there's no way it's ever going to work.
Ta baba není v pohodě, ta baba rozhodně není v pohodě, já ji to vidím na očích lidi. Já jsem vám to říkal, já se v ženských vyznám. Já se na ní podívám a vím, co chce udělat.
Hush. What do you mean exactly?
When you cover yourself in their smell, rub the walker guts all over you. They can't tell you from one of them.
Now I don't know who's crazier.
Trust me, I've walked through herds before. It works. You just have to keep calm and make sure you're good and covered.
You seem to know what you're talking about.
Lee figured that out.
What?
It's how we got out of the Marsh house. Lee covered me and we walked right through.
Really? Holy shit. Oh, good one, Lee. All right, what are we waiting for? Let's get that stupid radio.
We still have to find a way to get in the stockroom.
I got a plan for that, too. Come on, kid. Gonna need your help.
Kid? Vážně.
Where the hell did she come from?
We just need to use the winch. She can just climb up from there. Then, just drop into one of the skylights over the stockroom. There are shelves and stuff for you to land on, so you probably won't fall to your death.
Great. That thing breaks all the time. Unless something's changed, it won't support much weight.
Come on, up and at him.
Don't push her, Kenny.
She's our best bet. I mean that, Clem.
Now or never, I guess.
Moc si nezahraješ, víc? No tak,
We gotta get that
to
rope
víš.
down. Mike, you want to boost her up?
Come on, kid.
Tam jde hlavně o ten příběh, takže jdu.
Don't let go.
I got you.
Máme to. Máme šňůru. To je jak Terminátor, když z toho železa normálně.
Try to hurry, all right? I don't think they're the sharpest guards in the world, but they're no idiots either. They see you not in your bunk, we're all done. He's coming back. I gotta let you go. I can't stand here. Grab something.
No,
We're in trouble.
pár jich tam je.
Man, you're not gonna believe what I'm looking at. There's gotta be 2,000 or 3,000 of them out there.
In the parking lot?
No, not in the
Do
park.
prdele.
I can't see them all, but I see the dust they're kicking up.
So you're not sure?
What, about how many there are?
Yeah.
How can I be?
Fuck. I hope they pass by us.
God, yeah. You think we're ready this time?
I don't know. Bill thinks we are.
Of course he does, but he thought the same thing.
Máme tady ještě něco.
We learned a lot since last time.
Asi ne.
Is it enough, though?
We'll find out if they turn this way.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tak to je v prdeli. Jsme naprosto v prdeli. První se tam podíváme a potom tam vlezeme. Vyšlo. Indiánka.
It's crazy about Reggie, huh?
Yeah.
You think Bill...
Go on.
Nah, it's just... I was wondering if you thought Bill maybe...
Spit it out, Hank.
Spit it
I
out.
don't think Bill was gonna let him back in.
Huh. You don't?
No. Do you?
I don't know.
To pořád slyším v tom Metal Gear Solid. Spit it out.
I think so. The homestead, at least. I'm not sure about the expansion. They're out there just moaning.
That's what they do.
It's driving me crazy. It's really unnerving.
I know what you mean. I figure we'd be used to it by now.
I wouldn't figure that.
You never got used to a light buzzing or anything?
A little different when it's dead human beings walking around.
I'll give you that one.
So what are you doing tomorrow?
Bill wants me to start getting this bay door fixed.
Is that why you're down there?
Prdeli.
Yep.
What happened to it again?
Troy backed into it when we brought the prisoners, the new people in.
See, it's hard not to call them prisoners.
Anyway, I'm looking at it now. I don't think we have what we need.
Jesus, really?
We repurposed a lot of shit to get this place built. I can't say for sure if we even had the materials before we started expanding.
No do prdele.
You can't be smoking back here.
Vince, come on. Don't give me that.
If Bill smells a whiff of smoke back here, he'll flip. What are you thinking? You know what? I'm just gonna tell him. I'm not letting someone else get blamed for this. That's bullshit.
Vince! Vince, come on! Vince!
Tak to bylo o vlasek. Normálně se mi zastavil tep.
You get him? Okay, jump down. I got you.
Mu nevěřím.
We best get in bed. Troy will be back any minute.
Well?
Come on, Clem. Don't keep us waiting.
You little devil.
Everybody stay where you are. No need drawing suspicion.
That was so cool.
Thank you, Clem.
I told you you probably wouldn't die. Nice job.
Thanks.
Yep. Anyway.
Velice dlouhá konverzace. Thanks, you.
I thought about Duck today. About his dumb little face. First things that come to mind are always the dumb things he was doing. Kid was always running in circles. Every damn place he went, he'd just run. You couldn't stop him. Makes it harder to remember he was a good boy. Well, long day tomorrow. One long day. All right, we're all here.
Someone's got to get the radio out to Luke. What's the problem?
We should probably figure out who's doing what before we...
What's a go?
Time to get up. Daylight's burning. They let you sleep in, all things considered.
Where's my dad?
He's where the rest of you are going. To work. Rebecca, Nick, Sarah, Jane. If you gotta take a piss, do it now. The next break won't be for a while. Troy will be coming up for the rest of you.
Why just them?
Like I said, Troy's coming for the rest of you.
Simone, kámo, nechceš nám něco říct? Nemáš něco s mojím botem? Přiznej se, jako... Je to lidské, že jo? Tak jak ten vesničan s tou ovcí tam...
Where's the meeting?
Mike.
Yeah?
Clementine should do it.
Are you fucking kidding? No offense, but come on, that's crazy. She's a kid. Why would...
There's a million reasons. She knows Luke. She can hide. She got the damn radio for us in the first place.
Who cares?
And I'm sorry, Mike, but I don't know you from fucking Adam, all right? And if I'm trusting someone to do something this important, I'm trusting her.
Kenny's right. I should do it.
Don't do something stupid just to get some respect.
She doesn't need your respect.
Give me the radio.
All right, little chickens. Let's get to pecking.
All right.
And don't think today's gonna be like yesterday. No way. No shenanigans. This rooster's gonna be surveilling your ass every second of the day, you hear? Got that? I'm afraid I need an answer, girl.
Whatever.
Come on.
Oh, you have your pockets all out. Gonna get your tags all snagged on something.
Naštěstí ta antenka nejde vůbec vidět, takže pohoda.
Let's go.
To si dělá prdel, ne? Tam jako vážně takhle jde.
Hey, she's with me?
Oh shit, I almost forgot.
Yeah.
Bonnie, ty nám pomůžeš.
Well, take her then. I don't care.
Kretén.
What's going on?
Never mind.
Just chores of a different sort. Come on, City Mouse.
Can't you cut her a break?
Nikdo tu antenku nevidí, že jo? To je jenom tyčinka.
Won't they need my help?
Well, today I need it more. Come on.
No dobrá, no.
I just wanted to make sure you were all right.
To jsi mi moc nepomohla.
When you told me about Reggie, I ran and found Bill once I left you. Figured even if he had done it, he'd make up some sort of excuse, but Bill was just so matter-of-fact about it. Like he'd pulled up a weed or something, like it had to be done, and that was just one of those moments when your blood runs cold. Goose pimples up and down your arm. Cause it turns out the person...
Nazdar hardcore, vítej na streamu, bracho.
You look anxious, Clementine. Something the matter?
Teď bude určitě těžké rozhodnutí. Teď to budu muset říct asi, že?
You know you can talk to me, right? I was...
Na to kašlu lidi. A to seru, já jdu pryč. Dal jsem si srandu. Jsem si zajít na záchod. Já nemůžu rumíček dát, nemůžu. Dobré, jsme...
Dishonest when I first met you, but I
Já jí
swear
věřím.
on everything holy that'll never happen again.
Bonnie, Luke's waiting for me to give this to him. He needs it.
Clementine?
And all I need from you is to just not care where I am for 15 minutes.
If you get caught and you mention my name, Carver will be the least of your troubles. Okay?
Já jsem věděl, že se na ní můžu spolehnout. Já jsem to věděl. Zítra dáme rumíček. Rozhodně.
Y'all better hurry that shit up. I hate babysitting you assholes.
Luke? Luke, it's me, Clementine. It's safe to come out.
Tam je krev. To je špatně.
That looks really old. He's probably fine.
Tom, že máš pravdu. Ohohoho.
Luke! Where is he?
V bedně?
Luke, if you're hiding, come out.
I swear to Christ you're gonna regret this.
I was...
Do prdele.
You ain't supposed to be out here.
Vždyť jsem byl za regálem.
You people been here one fucking day and already you're fucking up. Well, you wait and see what happens. Move! Hey!
No.
Get over there.
Máme problém.
And how is it that we're repaid for our trust? With treachery?
Aha, oni mají Luka.
With theft.
They caught him.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Whatever you were planning is over. It's done. You can't just run from your problems. You can't just up and leave when it gets tough. Because there's nowhere else you can go where it ain't. Tough is all we got now. Get that through your fucking skulls. Luke here, he can't help you now. You gotta help yourselves. You gotta help me find the strength to forgive you. Now you can start by telling me where the other one is. I'm gonna count to 3.
Oh.
If that radio ain't in my hand by
Bez
then,
mizela.
we'll have to make things more difficult. 1, 2.
Maybe you...
It's right here. I got it.
Ach jo. Bude problém.
It's all right. Sorry about that. Not sure what I was thinking.
3.
Fucker.
No!
God! Jesus Christ! Stop!
Stop him! Somebody stop him!
Troy, do something!
Stop!
Clementine! Help me!
You don't have to do this, Bill!
No! Stop it! Kenny! Kenny!
Little shit.
Bill! That's enough, Bill! Please! Bill, there's a breach!
All right, everyone come with me. Bonnie.
Myslím, že mám z ksichtu paštíku, ty vole. Tak kdyby klepal řízky kladívem.
No supper for y'all tonight. Maybe an empty stomach will give you some perspective. And we'll try this again tomorrow.
Do your best with him, Carlos. You need to get him able to move, because we're leaving tonight.
Oh.
We're leaving tonight.
Mám dobrý odhad.
Ow. Dang it.
Je, že? To je... Fucking fucker fuck. Škoda, že se ten Luke nechal chytit.
She said she can get us out of the pen if we can get the PA system going. Second she hears it, she'll run over and spring us.
That's great.
It's not great.
What are you talking about?
Look, I know part of this is my fault. I know. I was hungry, I got reckless trying to steal some food, and I got caught.
We can't stay here.
Look, I hear what you're saying, but it's risky.
It is pretty damn risky, guys.
Risky? Did you see what that son of a bitch just did? The plan works. Nothing needs to change. It's all set up. The hard part is done. This guy's fucking crazy. Who knows what he'll do next?
Yeah, but now we're dealing with a guy being
Ten Černok mluví jak nějaký postiženec.
to do anything, and I'm a goddamn mess. Look, we should rest up. Okay, we should bide our time, and we should wait for an opening.
Bonnie's agreeing to help us tonight.
And that doesn't mean she can't do it some other night.
I don't know, guys. Luke's making sense. Maybe we should wait.
We're not waiting.
Ain't nothing out there, guys. Trust me, I looked. There's no food. There's no supplies. They picked everything clean.
Where's Kenny?
Doc's over there working.
Bez Kennyho nejdu.
And don't look good.
Čau, Ginarsi.
This is what I'm talking about.
You better fix him. You better.
I'm doing my best. His orbital is crushed. I don't think there's much hope for the eye. I got him as stable as I could, cleaned it, got some of the swelling down. bandaged it as best I could, but until he wakes up, we won't know if there's any damage to the brain.
Kreten. Čau, Helmute. Jo, držím s Kennym celou dobu, kámo, snažím se. Jo, Kati, zatím ahoj.
Leaving some folks behind.
No!
There is no other way.
This is bullshit.
Well, I don't like it either, but guess what? It's where we're at.
Kenny and I are only here because of you people, and now you intend to leave us behind.
So we should risk all of our lives?
No, we're not leaving Kenny. That's not fair. We stay together.
Life ain't fair, Clem. We're just trying to make the best of a bad situation here. No one wants to leave Kenny.
Good. 'Cause you won't have to.
Ha! Bože. To je borec, to je železný chlap.
We leave tonight. Plan don't change.
Not bad, old man.
Thanks, asshole.
You are one tough bastard.
Do tough bastards get their ass kicked in front of everybody? You all right? That wasn't your fault, okay? So don't go blaming yourself. It's all right.
All right.
Já myslím, že Kenny je pro mě něco jako děda.
Like now.
Yes.
I rád Kenny.
In case things get squirrely and we gotta make a break for it, we need a place to meet up.
We can meet out at Parker's Run.
The hell is that?
It's a Civil War site a few miles north. Tourist trap. Got signs all over. Just follow the road.
We stopped there after we escaped the first time. Luke and Carlos know where it is. It's not that far.
Well, at least if a few folks know where it's at, it'll be easier to find if we're split up. All right, that works.
Then we just need someone to go set off that PA, right? I mean, you never bothered to explain who's supposed to do that. Wait, hold on. She's the plan?
Let's go.
Be sure to remember to flip the switch for the outdoor speakers. Just the indoor speakers might not draw the herd. It's right on the microphone box.
Right.
By default, it's set to play music, so you should just have to turn it on, right? Then climb back up and drop into the stock room. We'll meet you there.
Nechápu, ale jdeme na to.
Be careful.
Okay.
Nějaký venkovní okruh, nebo co? Dobrá. Mikrofon.
Only one bullet.
Bude stačit.
Okay, now the mic. What? What's wrong?
No do prdele. Myslíš, že Carver tež?
No.
Do prdele. No, tady je.
Come on. Please work.
This 4th of July, make sure your backyard barbecue is complete with Howe's full line of products to meet your grilling needs.
Easy. Push.
We have the know-how. Howe. From charcoal briquettes to pro painting, Howe has all you need to make your day special.
No, už jsou na cestě.
want to disrespect me, fine. You want to throw away the life I'm trying to build for us all? Then fucking fine. Want to run off with this dog shit group of crippled fucks? Then fine. Be my guest. But I will put a bullet in you and that
Oh yeah.
Get back.
Come on, Luke. This ain't none of your business. This is just a bit of a custody battle we got on our hands here.
Shoot him.
Just shoot him.
What?
Jo? Nesr se s tím sračem.
Go on and wait outside.
A myslím, že Kenny mu to vysvětlí docela stručně.
We have to go.
Kenny, please.
I only need a minute. Go on. You don't need to see this.
That girl's already seen more than you can imagine.
Shut your mouth, Bill. You're all just gonna let him do this?
Yes.
There ain't one part of that son of a bitch I don't hate, but that does not make this right.
We don't have time for this.
I'm making time.
Look at you fucking ingrates. You don't even know how good you got it.
Bože lidi, já už se teďkom těším na další díl. Co to zítra nevydržím.
Lambs to the slaughter. No shepherd to guide you. Clementine knows exactly what I'm talking about.
Come on.
Come on, Clem.
Fuck. Big man now, huh? Oh, come on, Clementine. Don't be like that. Don't run away. You know you want to see the show. Who do you think you're fooling, huh? I know you. I know who you are.
Let's go.
Yeah, go on.
Už zítra vychází třetí sezóna? Vážně?
I'll be right there.
You won't see anything.
That's funny, coming from you. How's that eye? Just follow my voice. It'll get you there.
No takhle, no zítra budu pokračovat dalším dílem. Nevychází žádná sezóna, myslím. Carver bude mít nový Overlook. Jsem zvědav.
That's not the Kenny I know in there. I thought I could save him.
No, I'm all right. Come on.
23. února vyjde další sezóna s Michom.
Man, we're never gonna make it through this.
You kidding me? If Clem can handle it, you can.
Shit. I thought they were coming from the south.
They did. Looks like we're in the eye of it now.
Fuck. This is fucked. Here. You're gonna need something.
Thanks.
Kladivo sekera. Prdele.
You guys better hurry up and get to smearing if you want to live. Or you can die here. Doesn't matter to me.
To je pěkně ostrá holka.
We need to get covered before the rest of them get close or we're fucked.
I'll go first. You're gonna put that on yourself? We have to, Sarah.
To je takový opalovací krém.
Okay, now you. Turn around. Smells gross.
Shit.
Everybody shut the fuck up and get
Just
covered.
stay still.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. There's nothing to fear if you remain calm. I'll keep you safe.
Hurry the fuck up.
Turn around. I'll get your back.
Pleťová maska, ne asi. Channel 5.
Everybody ready? They're almost on us.
What in the actual fuck is going on here? What is this sick shit? Someone say something before I start. Hey! Don't you even fucking think about it, motherfucker. I will end you. You hear me?
No, myslím, že ty taky brzo skončíš.
Troy, we talked about this.
What? The fuck you talking about?
I told you I wanted to get out. You said you'd help, then I'd help.
I thought you meant get out of the pen, not whatever the fuck this shit is.
I did. But now we can leave. Troy, you can come with us.
What? Well, where would we go?
Away from here. Together.
Man, you smell really bad. You gotta get a bath before we... You shot my dick up!
Come on. Don't make any noise, got it? They might hear something they don't like. And for fuck's sake, walk. Act like you belong, and you will belong.
Get over here!
Tak pojďme, Klementinko, jdeme.
We got this, y'all. Is that Tavy?
Where's Bill? We need him up here.
Stay calm.
Gonna be okay.
Don't run.
Watch Sarah.
Jdeš běhat, Helmute? Dobrá práce, kámo. To dobře proběhni.
Come help me. Calm her down. Please, just say something. You're her friend.
Dad!
Sarah!
Sarah, shut up! Sarah, did you...
Oh my god. Ruka půjde pryč. Ostříháme ti ruku.
Sarah's glasses.
Bolet to mohlo, že jo?
He's gonna get someone killed.
If I had said I had the radio, Carver might not have been as vicious to...
Don't ever think that, darling. No telling what that asswipe would have done to you. So how's it look? Am I still gonna be pretty when this heals?
You need to get past that walker without drawing all the others. What are you gonna do?
Not now. Not now, damn it.
Damn it, where the fuck is Luke?
They're all gonna die, Clementine. Don't let them pull you down with them.
No. Hodně dobrý díl. Mně se líbil, to. Podle mě tady toto byl nejlepší díl té druhé sezóny, no. Myslím, že to bude jenom lepší a lepší, dobré. Takže zítra tu hru dojedeme, lidi. Zítra budeme pokračovat. Tak to byla sada.